Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn Smart App Control on or off without reinstalling Windows. First, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run box. In the Run box, type regedit and press Enter. The Registry Editor window is now open. Carefully navigate to the following path. Open HKey Local Machine, then Open System, then Current Control Set, then Control, then CI, and finally click on Policy. Once you are inside the Policy folder, look at the right side of the window. Find a value called Verified and Reputable Policy State. Now double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State. A small window will open. To turn Smart App Control off, set the value data to 0. To turn it on, set the value to 1. After entering the value you want, click OK. Close the Registry Editor. For the change to take effect, restart your computer. This is how Smart App Control can be turned on without reinstalling Windows. Thanks for watching.